presenting the Dodge 2019 Challenger GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black top package included, black grille with bezel wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted gloss black IP cluster trim rings black fuel filler door GT black grille badge Challenger black top grille badge rear black spoiler, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, black houndstooth cloth performance seats, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise painted, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, pitch black clear coat, quick order package 21L GT rear wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic,